Let's learn how you can delete your RedNote account. So let us start by opening our RedNote application. From here you will have to click on three horizontal lines in top left corner, then go to settings on this gear icon. Then when you open settings, you will have to go on account security section. Then scroll a bit down until the end of the page and you will see here account cancellation. Then open it. As you can see here, it will show your phone number. What this means is that you have to click on here to get the code. So this is verifying your identity. When you got the code, you will have just to type in here and go to the next step. They will show you whatever you need to do, just to make sure if they sent me a code. They didn't, but you will get it right. If you don't know to get on Chinese, you can just take a screenshot, open your photos, and when you open the photo, you'll just have to copy the text on iPhone. I'm sure you have Gboard on Android, so that could be useful too. And just click on translate. So you see here that will say everything on English. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.